figure it all out right this minute. We can take our time. So tell me, Valerie Marie, what's been on your heart?
Well, I need to figure out how I'm going to turn up the volume on my iPad.
Chuckles softly. Valerie Marie, I do appreciate you sharing what's on your mind, but it sounds like you might be a little mixed up about what I can help with. My wisdom runs a little deeper than troubleshooting tech gadgets. My expertise is in those tricky human connections, the ones that can tangle your heartstrings and make you scratch your head. I help folks see the patterns in their relationships, not the settings on their screens. While I can't quite guide you on your iPad's volume control, if you've got a challenge with a person, a friend, family, a partner, or even just yourself, I'm all ears. That's where Maxine Smart truly shines. So, if you get that iPad sorted and you want to talk about matters of the heart, you know where to find me.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so finally, I have done all the data research and engineered what was formerly known as Miss Know It All to now Maxine Smart. Maxine Smart is your combination of old school family values and relationship intelligence. So this is so cool and so entertaining. This is only the voice part of it. But stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'm going to be introducing uh, this software. And of course, this is not the main drum roll software. This is, I would say, the little sister of Breakthrough. So I'll demonstrate how it works. But as you can see, she is just a little spicy, but she has different modes. So I have her in this tell it like it is direct mode. So she has other modes too. And we'll introduce this how it works. This has everything in it. Oh my goodness, about a guide on how to avoid players, pimps, punishers, and parolees, even if the player and the pimp is you. Okay, I threw that part in there. Anyway, so I'm laying down in bed. It's almost 11 o'clock. I've been working all day. And I just decided, I said, well, you know what? Let me um, pull out my iPad. I didn't know that I had the volume down so low. But as you can see, she has time for it all. But one of these features on this software, it allows you to um, find the foolishness when you're talking. It's putting it into different categories of like players, pimps, punishers, and parolees, which is a part of a software called P Factors. Now, this is so funny. I came up with this probably about 15 years ago. It was supposed to be a book. And instead of writing books, I just write code and just turned it into a software with all these data points. But listen, there's also a feature on here from dad's perspective, from mom's perspective, because it's all about relationships, right? But in a fun way. Let's see, we have. Did I tell you about the foolishness report? Okay, this is perfect for anyone who's having any type of drama or frustration. They can just update it. I think it's very important for people to be able to detail everything, but in a fun way, instead of making it sound like, it's school or something. But as you can tell, so we're going to get into doing some demonstrations on the different software. This is just I would say, a watered down version of Breakthrough Faith and Works, which is probably one of the best softwares that I've engineered. I think ChatGPT rated it a 15 out of a 10. And I guess I'll check and see what rating we'll get as far as the features are concerned. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to, before I go to bed, I'm supposed to be doing a video a day. You guys already know I'm a nerd, so I'm probably going to be making something all the time. That's just what I do. So, anyway, it's been a long day, and I think I'll probably go to sleep. I think I've gotten 7 minutes worth of data. We have some exciting things to roll out this year, this quarter, things we've worked on all last year. My perfectionism is a little bit of a holdback, but it also is a good quality because it makes me put out quality products. I don't like throwing things together. So, nevertheless, this is one of my fun products because it just sort of like releases my stress. This is about the way you feel. Breakthrough is about the way you think and your heart posture. Listen, I have done so many things working with Breakthrough for the last 2 years. I use it for myself. It has got to be the best project management software on the planet. I said it. You heard it here first. It has so many things in it. I just can't. There's no way. I'm just smiling about that software because it is so powerful. I just can't wait to finally introduce you to it because I was talking with someone and they were like, Val, when you talk, about what you're doing and everything, sometimes people just don't believe you. They think you're just talking. I said, okay, well, I get it. I understand. Try not to get upset with people, especially when you do things that, they may not understand. So I try not to get upset. But nevertheless, it's okay. I will show you instead of, I guess, sometimes you have to talk early because it takes so long for things to develop. I think I probably have more patience than the average person, but everything is not for everyone. So instead of me going out throwing out something that's garbage, um, just to prove a point to somebody, I mean, I just don't work like that. So, nevertheless, this whole video concept of me being forced to create videos, and I said forced because I'm better behind the scenes, but You can't promote things if you're scared to make a video. So let me just be myself. People gonna talk if you don't do anything, and they're gonna talk if you do. So you might as well go ahead and get something out of it. But as you can tell, I'm sleepy, and I guess that's about it for tonight. Signing off. Toodles.